We Nigerians, we love our gold. Nigerians, especially in my tribe, we love our gold, you know. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ty. If you're new here, hi, thank you so much for coming to my channel to watch my video today. Thank you. You're welcome to my channel, and I hope you'll stick around and hit the subscribe button. In fact, I'll give you a few seconds to do that. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. And I upload videos about luxury, lifestyle, skincare, and things that affect us in our life on a daily basis. I try to talk about different things in my videos so you would find something interesting to watch. I'll link some of my videos below so you can watch them. But in today's video, I want to do a different video to the one I did before, where I talked about Chanel bags that I don't like and I won't buy. But in this one, I want to talk about Chanel bags that I actually like and I've actually bought. So I've got two bags to show you, and I'm going to talk about them, tell you why I like them, and tell you the reason why I prefer these ones. So guys, if that's what you want to see, please keep on watching. So guys, as you may know, if you've been following me a while, I have two Chanel flap bags. They're called we have the single flap bag and we have the double flap bag. So I'm going to show you the double flap bag that I have, which is a vintage one. So this is the Chanel double flap bag that I bought from a consignment about a year and a half ago, and I've been using it quite a lot. This bag is 27 years old. I prefer to stock my wardrobe with things that are quality, things that last over time, rather than buying things and having to recycle them. Not because I love the environment. I do love the environment, but that's not one of the reasons anyway. Yeah, so obviously I like to buy things that can last, you know, that you can use again. And this one has stood the test of time. I do think so. You know, I think the double flap gives it some character. Yes, it would be nice to have more space, but then when I don't wear it to work, so I don't need to carry a lot with me. If I'm going for a wedding, just put a phone, maybe one or two, maybe a mirror, a few makeup items, maybe a tiny book, maybe some chewing gum or something, you know. If you let me know if you want me to do what's in my bag, and I'll show you. I think I have one for my other smaller Chanel trendy CC wallet on the chain mini, something like that bag. I don't remember these names, guys. They are very confusing at times. But yeah, this one is the Chanel double flap, and it's got a double flap because it's got two flaps, as you could see. So I really like it. I had it authenticated because I got it at such a cheap price. I don't really like to share prices on my channel, but if you really want to know, DM me and I'll let you know. I got it from a consignment store last year, April, and I just decided, you know what, I like this color. I've been looking for this color and I really want a vintage bag that stood the test of time, and I got it authenticated, genuine, you know, and then I bought it. So yeah, so that's that was to me is a good investment, because I actually got it at a really cheap price. I would say maybe like a fraction, a quarter of what they're selling them for now. So that's quite good, isn't it? So the next one I have is, this is the Chanel vintage single classic flap in lambskin, black lambskin, you know, and with the 24 karat gold hardware as well. We Nigerians, we love our gold. Nigerians, especially in my tribe, we love our gold, you know. This isn't really gold, this is gold plated, but it's gold as well, because it's not going to change. This is the way it is. Well, it's not gold. It's not gold. I won't say it's gold. Please don't come for me. I know it's not gold. I have gold, so I know what I'm saying. This isn't gold, but it's gold plated. And if this bag has been like this for the past, I'm just trying to take the chain off to show you how long it is, because I tend to double it so that I can hold it like a top handle bag. And yeah, oh dear, I don't know what I did. So now I've got the chain, oh yeah, muddled up, and I've got the chain knotted. Just like that sound. Don't you like that sound, guys? It is. I love my bag. Okay, yeah, so that's the chain. It's very long. So I got this from Zoops. I have a video on it. I'll also link it. I'll also link in the description box. But yeah, I'll also wear this for an occasion as well. So this is a black bag, it goes with anything. If you're looking to buy your first Chanel bag, I would say go for black. Go for black, or go for, yeah, I would go for black actually. This was the first one I got because I know these are my colors, and this goes with everything. You can wear it with anything, you know, black and gold. That's a really nice combination. My next color is pink. I love pink as well, you know, and then I love neutrals. You know, this other little bag that I have, I might be selling. I think I've shown you, I might be selling this. I think I'm going to sell this bag because I can't really use the way I would want to, because there isn't much space in it, but I still like it anyway. But I'm trying to decide whether to sell it or not. But yeah, black, neutral colors like pink. This is also, I think, neutral. This is like yeah guys, so yeah, so those are the bags I like. I like the single flap. Yeah, it's, I don't know, did I open the bag? No, I didn't show you, but I didn't open it. Now let me show you what it looks like inside. So you can always watch the other videos. Have I got anything inside? Just a piece of paper. Yes, not some money, 1p. So that's what it looks like. I just like this red gold and the interior red, I mean black gold, and then this red interior. That's classic Chanel. I really like it. And then also you've got the little handle, I mean you've got the little zip with the chain, I mean the little coin thing, you know. So, and then you've got the chains. One way of authenticating Chanel bags that are vintage is the way that they are joined here. Don't know if you can see, I'm squinting now, I've got my glasses on. So can you see that the way it is, there's a little bit of leather missing here, and that's how you authenticate, one of the ways you can authenticate it as well. I've also got it on my other bag. When I saw initially, I had to query it, you know, because I didn't want to buy a fake bag. Obviously Zoops, I got it from Zoops, and they actually do authenticate it, but you can never be too sure. So I checked, and yeah, they said this is one of the ways they used to do their bags before. This was how they used to do the chain, so because it was handmade, so they used to leave some space there and all that. I think I've got in the other one as well. I'm going to show you. So I've got in this one as well. So this is where they sew it together. And if you can see, this is where they sew it together. Let me hear. So that's one other way of authenticating your vintage bag. But I find out that most of the I find out that the vintage bags are actually hard to copy, because the 24 karat gold plating it stands out. I mean, if you put this next to the bags they're doing now, it really does look shiny. And there's also, some people don't really like it, but as I said to you, we like our gold. I love this gold plating. It really makes it stand out. And yeah, I would wear this bag to an occasion. I won't take it to work because it's a bit too much for work. It's especially with the gold. You know, I think Chanel bags that people take to work tend to be silver, and even the ones they make now, the gold is not, the gold hardware is not shiny, it's not gold plated, it's not 24 karat gold plated anymore, because I think they stopped doing that some years ago. I think they said 2008 they stopped doing that. So there's, yeah, I find I can fit quite a lot into it, you know, because I wear it for occasions. I don't wear it to work. Why I like to buy vintage is because when you buy a bag that has already been tried and tested, there's a history behind it, there's a story behind it. I know some people like to have their things new, but I look at it that it's going to be old one day anyway, and how is it going to look when it gets old, you know? And then many of the people that have Chanel bags tend to have a lot, so they probably wore this bag not too many times, you know, because pink anyway is something you probably wear out, pink with 24 karat gold plating. So that's why I feel it's still in very good condition. Yes, it is a bit bent here, you know, but if it was looking lower than this, I would be a bit worried, because a bag that is 27 years old looking like a new bag probably is fake, you know. So, but yeah, that's it. These are the ones I like. I like the classic flat bags. I feel that they fit my lifestyle, they fit what I do. I mean, they are classic, you know. And yeah, so let me know which bags you like. Let me know which Chanel bags you really like. And if you haven't seen my other video about the ones I don't like and I don't think I'll be buying, please, I'll link it in the description box. Check it out. I'm sure you enjoy watching it. Leave me a comment, and also don't forget to subscribe. And guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.